the DSK Learning Squad.
A is for ant, B is for butterfly, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for gingerbread, H is for horse, I is for igloo, J is for jug, K is for kite, L is for lamp, M is for monkey, N is for net, O is for orange, P is for parrot, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for star, T is for table, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for whale. X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABCs, next time won't you sing?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below for more amazing educational videos like this. Bye!